Welcome to this top 3 best AI text to image generator for Android users. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about AI tool with Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see the best AI text to image generators for Android, the ultimate guide. So let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you have some of the app successful download and install on your Android phone. So one of the app we are going to use right here, we're going to have it download in straight up from Google Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. Then on getting to Play Store, just come to the search engine right here and type in Microsoft Bing. Then click on search. So we have it right here. Okay. So if you don't have it successful download and install, what you need to do is to simply click on download and install. So we have the app fully right here. So this app here is a very great app that allows you to text to image in higher resolution. You can see this app here has been downloaded with about 50 million plus people in the past. So you can swipe here and see some of the stuff you can do with this app. After you have successfully download and install the app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. Okay, so I'm going to open it. So it's going to load up the interface and take you in right here. Now, there are a lot of things you can do with this particular AI tool, but what we are interested today's tutorial is how we can use this app to text to image in the few seconds. So when you open up the app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you create an account with Microsoft Bing. After a successful create an account, then you have to navigate to image generator, image creator right here. So you click on that. Then it takes you to this particular page, and you will be given every time you will be given 15 credits to generate image. Okay, once the credits finish exhausted, you have to wait for the next credit. So right here, I'm going to enter my prompt. I will just say create amazing black monkey eating banana in deep forest. Okay, so I'm going to select all and I'll copy the prompt. Next thing we want to do here is to simply click on create right here. Then in a few seconds, it's going to create the image. Take a look at them right here. So you have 4 different results right here that you can simply swipe this way and swipe this way, and then you can simply download anyone from here. So if you want to really download anyone from here, just click and hold down, click on download image, and the image has been successfully downloaded into your phone gallery. So let's take a look at the other app that you can use to text to image in Android phone. Okay. All right. So the other AI we are going to use is Chat AI. Take a look at it right here. So you can also get this particular app free download and install on your phone from Play Store. What you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. Let me quickly walk you through the process on how you can get it. Go to Play Store. Then from here, click on your search engine and simply type in Chat AI and click on search, and you have variety right here. What you need to do is to make sure you locate the icon. So this is the one we want to use in this tutorial. So AI chat, click on that, then make sure you download and install it. As at the time of making this video, over 1 million plus have successfully downloaded this app. After a successful download and install the app on your Android phone, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open right here. Then take you to the interface right here. So there are a lot of things you can also do with this particular AI tool, but in today's tutorial, we are mostly interested on how we can use this AI tool to text to image in a few seconds. So let's see. So for you to use the text to image feature, you have to come down below right here. Click on AI art. Then take you right here. Then you have to write in your prompt here. So I will use the same prompt. I'll click on hold down, paste the prompt. It's as simple as that. Then we can come here and choose any style we want from these options right here. Okay, so we can swipe and choose. I'm going to make it realistic. Then next thing we can do here is to simply click on aspect ratio right here before we can generate. Then we can choose different aspect ratio. So I'm going to put it in 3:4 ratio. So you can see there are about 9 different aspect ratio right here. You just need to choose any one you are comfortable with. So I'm going to click on that. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on generate right here. So in a few seconds, it's going to generate 4 different options that we can simply download into our phone gallery. Okay, so you can see them right here. So you can simply click on it and swipe this way and swipe this way. The style you choose will determine the result you are going to get. Okay, so that is that. So once you are satisfied, you simply click on the download button and it's going to download straight into your phone gallery. So let's take a look at another one AI that you can use to text to image generator for free on Android. Okay, all right, so another one we can use for text to image for Android is this particular one right here, AI Chat. So let's simply open it. So you can also get this particular AI app from Google Play Store, AI Chat. So just type it from your Play Store and then you're going to see the result. Now, for you to use the features of text to image generator for Android, what you need to do is to simply click on this art. So on getting to AI art, you can simply click on any of the style right here. There are a lot of style right here that you can simply choose. So I'm going to choose this particular style right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then you have to come to the type right here. I'll click and hold down. I'll paste my prompt. Then I will send it to the AI. So in a few seconds, it's going to generate very high quality 4 different images that we can simply choose and then download straight up into our phone gallery. Okay, and for you to download it, what you need to do is to simply click on here and it open up in a few page. Then you can swipe and then see it more and more, and then you simply click on download right here, and automatically the image is going to be saved successful into your phone gallery. It's as simple as that. Okay, so it has been downloaded successful. Simple as that. So basically, these are top 3 best free AI text to image generator for Android user. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about AI too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.